This episode is about jokes, fun, and a lot of comedy. If you love it, subscribe and share, please. It would be lovely if you mention in the comments how many times did you have half a laugh and how many times did you have a real laugh.
I'm vaccinating.
Hello and namaste. I am the Guru, Mahashay Bareja, and here is my master, Billy the Puppy Bareja. Have you watched my vlog, The Guru and His Master? If not, please do so. Here is the little glimpse of that episode. Alright, let's start with take. I believe not many people in the world are left with names like that, but yeah, happy my dad gave me one, so yes, that's it. You get stuck with it, you like or not, that's it, that's who you are. Right, coming to my name. Phone rings. Hello, this is Take. This is not Jack. Take. This is not Ted. Not Dick. This is Take. T-E-K. Take. Now you know my name is Take. Many people call me Mr. Take. Oh, some call me Uncle, Dadu, Chacha, son, and my lovely wife calls me, yes, sometimes my love. Right, but many people call me Mr. Take. Thank God I'm not a girl. If I was a girl, what would you call me? Many people call me Mr. Take. If I was a girl, what would you call me? It's very good to be a girl. The girls are caring, they look after family, they are excelling in every field, they are prime minister, they are scientists, they are ruling the world. Well, it's great to be a girl. Still, thank God I'm not a girl. Many people call me Mr. Take, but thank God I'm not a girl. If I was a girl, what would you call me? Right, mistake. My dad says it was an ugly mistake. Right. Who is the master or who is the boss? Let me tell you one incident. There was this butler and his master. This butler served his master for ages. The setup of that house was the kitchen was on the ground floor and everything else, living room, dining room, bedrooms, it's all on the first floor. One day this master asks butler, you served me throughout your life. I want to ask one thing. Every time I asked for any drink, scotch, cocktail, tea, coffee, juice, any beverage, every time I asked any drink, the glass is always full. There is no room for even a single drop. Unbelievable. I'm very happy and very surprised. Is it your dedication, your love, or your skill? How is that possible? The kitchen is downstairs and you bring it all the time, it's always full. The butler says, Master, since you asked, all right, now I'll tell you the secret. Yeah, as you know, I make every drink, everything with love. I fill the glass to the brim. Of course, there is no room for even a drop. So, what happens after? I grab the glass and when I'm reaching the stairs, when I just about to step onto first step, what I do? I sip a mouthful of drink and there you go. And when I'm reaching top step of the stair, I just put it back in and it's 100% full. I don't feel hungry after having food. That's a really unique complication. Here you go. Have one tablet after you sleep and one before you wake up. Do yourself a favor. Have some greens. And who wears green, by the way? And next time you won't get this, you'll get this, and you know where it goes. Please, no. You are not Dr. Death, are you? Here is funny glimpse of my vlog, 100 days no shower. Right. That was very nice. Now you know I like swimming in the swimming pool or on the beach. You know supermodels like Rina Kaif or Ellie McPherson, the body, or Priyanka Chopra. So beautiful. You see them on Bareja or in movies. There is one problem though. When I come out of swimming pool and hold the railing, or when I come out of the water, I feel like one of them. Looks like this gentleman has got some seriously silly issues. I wonder how people can survive without shower or bath for a month or months. Guess what? I feel like crap. Very bad, very dirty, and it's only day 25 of no shower. Now, hilarious glimpse of COVID jab and play fun at Olympic Park. Let us see what this not so much mashhoor Dr. Gulati is up to on this day. What brings you here today? Not to die, to live. This is Australia, mate. Today means today. Dr. Gulati, what is this SBK BBLAL? Don't you watch dentist Bareja Saab's YouTube vlog? Sher Banke. Sher Banke means be brave like a lion. I want to get a tooth out. Okay, $200. There will be lot of pain. $100 more anesthesia injection and there will be no pain. Which one? $200 is okay. I don't want to pay for anesthetic injection. No anesthetic injection, please. You are very brave. Be brave like a tiger. Now, let me take your tooth out. No, doctor, it's not for me. It's for my wife. Darling, come in. You also have a hole in your tooth. A hole in your tooth. Why did you say twice? I only said once. It was echo from big hole in the tooth. Also, your puppy Billy is very cute. Always let him lick you, kiss you. Guess what? I'm a vet as well. How did you like my joke? Though you are a tiny puppy, but you are the guru of all. It's not difficult to catch Billy. It's impossible. Looks like this girl has got the idea of both Mahatma Gandhi, let's go, and my thoughts vaccinating. So
my name Jay, I'm vaccinated. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. First shot, next shot. I'm vaccinating.
Now a tiny peep at hide and seek or Lukka Chhuppi. And some friends have asked about my journey from India to Australia. Very nice, very simple. By air, it took about 24 hours door to door.
I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language.
You know, there has always been a chase, the hide and seek between the thieves and the police. This cop is chasing a thief. It's getting dark. The thief runs to this field and hides under eggplant plant or brinjal plant. The cop is running to chase him and trips over him. It's dark and the cop says, "What is this?" The thief says, "I am eggplant. The cop says, eggplant? That's huge. And thief says, yes, I have been saved for the seeds. This cop is still chasing this thief. Okay, maybe a different cop and a new thug. This thug thief this time shoots through to this apartment building, locks the entrance and rushes to the top of the building, rooftop. Cop sees him on the rooftop and says, I'll get you eventually. Now it's been a while. This thief is dying for a piss. As you do, he starts pissing from the rooftop to the ground. The cop says to him, now I'll catch you. I'll climb through this stream of the cliff and get you. And what does the thief say? Yeah, you can try. I'll do piss very slowly, drop by drop. And from vlog, quick and best cheese naan. If you like it, press the like button. If you love it, subscribe, share and comment please. Thank you. Let me show you what happened earlier when Billy and I went for his food shopping. Can I please have dog food and dog biscuit? Sure. Would you like to have it here or take home? Really, I was abused by a checkout guy.
No, Dad, it was an honor.
Really? Thank you, Billy. Guess what? Name of the checkout guy was Entertainment.
Wow, I have a golden retriever friend, and his name is also Entertainment.
Okay, I know his owner. Okay, I know him, but he doesn't know me.
I know Akshay Kumar is his dad, not the owner.
Please, Dad, no selfie, please.